Pakistan Ordnance Factory has developed 60mm and 81mm airdrop mortars for use with the VTOL drone systems. These are free-fall fin stabilized and capable to hit a specific target with high precision. The fuse detonates on impact and has safeties for transportation and handling during flight. 60mm bombs has cast iron body and 81mm bomb has forged steel body. Main charge of 60mm is TNT DNN 112 grams, while 81mm mortar is TNT 630 grams, with lethal radius of 50 meters for 60mm bomb and 50 to 70 meters for 81mm mortar. POF's design and engineering has perfectly met international standards of lightweight, high-precision UAV ammunition.